Hi there, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to transfer money from Binance to Coinbase. To transfer money from Binance to Coinbase, you'll first of all need to log into your Binance account. So open the Binance application and log into your account. You want to navigate to the wallet sections or your profile to access your available crypto. So as you are logged in, what you need to do is right on this page, you have to go ahead and click on the asset, or you just have to go ahead and click on withdraw. So here you can go ahead and tap on the trap bar icon and then go ahead and click on the withdraw button. When you actually go ahead and click on the withdraw button, when you do it, so then you want to access your Coinbase account either on the Coinbase website or the mobile app. Next, you have to go ahead and find the specific cryptocurrency or an asset that you want to receive. So click the receive button, then select the one. After which, copy the wallet address and exit out of this page and go to Binance. Over here, you want to paste in the wallet address that you recently copied, enter in the exact amount that you want to transfer. And once you've actually done it, so you'll have to go ahead and you should receive a confirmation. And that is how you could transfer money from Binance to Coinbase. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.